What is up guys, Danny this side. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a board in Trello. So first you need to head over to the Trello's website and then here you will see all your recent boards. So just to delete the board, you just simply need to select the board, and after selecting the board, you will be headed over in the board, and from here you just simply need to click on these three dots here on the right side, and then you just need to scroll a bit down, and then you will see the close board option at the end. So just simply click on that, and then you can click on close again. Simply need to click on close again, and then the board will be closed. And as you can see, this board is closed. Reopen the board to make the changes. So if you want to reopen the board, you can just simply do it, or you can just keep it deleted as you were. So this is how you can delete a board by just simply click on this close board in Trello. So that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.